This is our outfit for today, guys. We're going out for lunch. And we see kung saan tayo kakain today. Come, let's go! Where are you going? My princess.
Bill?
It's already 12:59. We're going to have lunch first. This is our lunch for today.
Yes.
Talur, mixed veggie, and my soup Taijan.
And
Let's
also, don't forget
eat.
rice.
Of course, rice. Di mo walang rice.
Okay, looks like nice.
Looks nice.
And like, just short way. Like,
But the
like
iPhone
Malaysia.
also can. It's raining. Rain stop here. Where are you going, darling?
Where you going, Mama?
You guess? Where are you going?
Also, you guess where we
I don't
going?
know.
What's it
Hindi
do?
ko sinabi sa kanya kung saan kami pupunta.
Pagkamala.
Ah, I see. Where Sahara's going today.
Awesome.
See ya. See the train up there?
Yep. Wow, look at the train, look at the train. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, yeah.
Natatanaw ko na ang Twin Tower.
Yes.
Twin Tower is coming closer to us.
I'm gonna meet a long tower. Long tower.
Going into the tunnel now.
Yes. So bad.
There you are. We are in the tunnel.
Wow, so beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Escape. Wow. So dark and cool. Hi guys.
Where are you now?
I don't know. I think we're going to KL.
We are already here. We are already in the KL.
Yep. So what happens? We go eat. For you, my step, Mama, faster.
Don't shake my hand.
I'll hold for you.
Must that you're captured very shaky. Your beach already. We are here in Plaza Tol Gombak.
Yes.
Entering in
This.
Genting Highland.
Ding.
Genting Road, Genting Way is raining.
Yes.
feel the fresh air now. So no need the aircon. Genting is a cold place.
We're going to get together, buddy.
You can see the foggy already.
Yes. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yung Genting Highland, guys. Nasa taas. Ang tuktok na yan. Genting Highlands na.
For showing
There
me
are
a
the
car.
cable. What do you call that? How to say
Cable
that?
car.
Cable cars. Where's the pagoda? There's the pagoda. Ayan yung pagoda, guys.
Let's
Ang
go.
sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Mapresko na. Nandito na tayo sa taas. And si Lakshmi, ayan siya. Kahit mainit, mapresko. Malamig dito sa Genting Highlands. First World Hotel.
You go to the left, you go to the right.
We're gonna park
You go to
the car first. Going up to park the car.
No, you must first take control.
Look outside, so foggy, guys.
Yeah, even how far you they turn me off,
Ah.
they can see me. I'm so
Ang
fast.
lamig na, guys. Napipil na namin yung cold ni Lakshmi. Si Lakshmi nagre-reklamo na siya ay daw malamig na. Nilalamig na daw siya. And I also feel the coldness, guys. So we are ready here in Genting. Going to walk inside the resort. And we see what is inside. Si Lakshmi ay excited. Gusto na niyang maglaro sa boat it, guys. Buti na lang nakaganito kami damit ni Lakshmi. Naka-long sleeve kami ng damit. Dahil na-feel na namin yung coldness. So cold. Ayan na, may mga pa-design na for Ramadan. Ready here! Hello! Look at all the people! Ah, ang ganda yung horse. Meron silang year of horse doon, guys. Ayun. So cute! Let's go. Let's go walk. Yeah. Sana, say hi! Guys, dito hindi sila tumatanggap ng cash. So, kailangan yung touch and go mo may laman. Touch and go or via card lang ang ina-accept nila. So, kailangan talaga may laman yung card nyo and touch and go. Beautiful! Parang konti lang yung tao today. Hindi ganun kadami yung tao. Come, let's go! See all the rides there? Oh, look at that! Narinig niyo yung mga tili nila? Bird! Yung mga nakasakay sa rides. Super takot siguro nila, guys. So we find a ball pit for Sahana. Come, let's go. Ang dami maingay guys, hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos. So ito yung ball, ano yun? Yeah, yung fun fair sa loob. We see inside, what inside? Oh, sa inside, ano mga picture taking. Lakshmi, come! Are you excited? Come to the Hi! Hi, what happened to you? Oh, natakot siya dun sa ano. Sa horror. Well, pakita ko dito. Pontian of the... Oh, so many people today. There's the ball pit. Oh, let's go. Dito ko siya ilalagay para makapaglaro. Ayan si Lakshmi sa loob. Lalaro-laroan doon siya. Guys, tumatanggap sila ng cash. Buti na lang. Kasi wala lamang yung touch and go. So, ayan yung mga pagkain. Cash pwede dito. Hihintay ako dito kay Lakshmi, guys. Siya nag-i-enjoy na naglalaro. Ako nakaupo dito. Kumakain. Pero at least siya i-enjoy. Nagbaon ako ng biscuit. Kasi alam ko, sobrang mahal lang ako dito bilihin. And water. Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan na si Lakshmi. Ang laki kasi ng ano na to, ball pit. Ang laki ng ball pit nito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan na siya. Pero safe naman. Yung mga parents, hindi man nga tinitingnan yung mga anak nila. May mga nagkichismisan on phone. Bahala yung mga anak nila naglalaro. It's safe. Ito may massage. Pag nainip ako, magpapamassage ako dito. 10 ringgit for how many minutes? Yeah, 10 ringgit. Full body massage. Order ako ng pagkain namin ni Lakshmi. Nagutom siya. Nuggets and potato wedges. Merienda muna si Lakshmi, guys. Merienda muna kami. Nag-order ako ng potato wedges at saka nuggets. I asked him. Ayan na lang natira kay Lakshmi. Come this way. Sana. This way. Lakshmi, no. Sana. She wants to take the bubbles one. Come, let's go. Lahat na lang ang makita niya, gusto niya. Come. Come on. Eat first. So we're finding a restaurant. It's already 7 p.m. So maghanap tayo ng restaurant para makapag-dinner na. Car restaurant Radha Raghu. Our dinner guys. Thank you.